Welcome back, boys and girls. And today we learned the parts of a plant. And so we are going to apply what we've learned by doing a cutting out and piecing together activity. So I have a sheet here that's got all the parts of a plant that we learned about. We've got the stem, we've got the roots, we've got the blossoms and the seed, and we've got the leaf. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut out, staying very carefully on the lines. I'm going to cut out all the pieces of the parts of a plant. When you are completed and done with your parts of a plant, you can color your plant as well. So I just got the roots cut out. Now I'm cutting out the stem, being very careful to try to cut only on the dotted line so that I've got all the parts left for my diagram. All right, now I'm working on cutting out the third piece, which is the leaf. There's only one leaf for today's activity, so it's called leaf, not leaves. When we have more than one, then it changes to leaves. I got my leaf cut out, and now I'm cutting out the blossom or the flower. Make sure that when you're using scissors, you only cut paper, and that when you are finished cutting out, that you put your trash in the garbage. So I'm putting my trash in the garbage, and now I'm going to get a blank piece of paper, and I'm going to start to assemble my pieces that I have cut out. So when I start with my parts of a plant, what part do I put down first? Did you say the roots? If you said the roots, you were right. Remember, those roots need to be down at the bottom because they are underground. We do not see them. What part am I going to glue on next? Did you say the stem? That's right, I'm going to glue the stem on. And notice that I even tried to line up my stem so that it was connected to my roots. It wasn't way over here or way over here or up here. I glued it so that it was right on top. Now, which part comes off of the stem? Did you say that the leaf comes off of the stem? That's right. I'm working on gluing my leaf, and I'm connecting that piece of the stem and the piece of the leaf so that it's all connected even. So that means that my two pieces of paper are overlapping some. And what is the last piece of our plant part that we need to attach? Did you say the flower or the blossom? Right. So now I'm lining that up, and now I have completed the parts of my plant. I have the roots. The roots are taking the nutrients, the water and nutrients from the soil, and it's bringing it up the stem. And the stem takes that water and nutrients, and in the leaf mixed with sunlight starts to create food called photosynthesis. And the food is what helps the sunflower continue to grow and blossom. So we have all of our parts of our plant. I look forward to seeing your plants put together. You can take a picture and upload it and tell me in your own words all the parts of a plant.